If you're someone who thinks wealth is only for the lucky few, then you need to hear this. Did you know that most millionaires aren't born with trust funds? It's a common misconception that wealth is inherited or won by chance. They don't win the lottery or inherit fortunes. The reality is far more inspiring. In fact, a surprising number of them built their wealth the old-fashioned way, through hard work, smart saving, and savvy investing. They made deliberate choices and took consistent actions over time. That's right. Even with an average salary, you can achieve financial independence. It's not about how much you earn, but how you manage what you have. It's time to ditch the misconception that financial freedom is only for the wealthy elite. Financial success is attainable for anyone willing to put in the effort and make informed decisions. This isn't about deprivation or penny pinching. It's about making mindful choices that align with your goals and values. It's about taking control of your finances and designing a life you love. Imagine being able to plan for the future without constant financial stress. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions, whether that's art, music, or any other hobby that brings you joy. Spend time with loved ones, creating memories that last a lifetime, and make choices based on what truly matters to you, not just what your bank account dictates. Financial freedom means living life on your own terms. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing your finances are in order. It's about more than just money. It's about security, freedom, and the ability to live your best life. If you enjoy this video, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your financial journey. Financial independence means different things to different people. But at its core, it's about having the financial security to live life on your own terms. It's about reaching a point where your passive income, money earned from investments, rental properties, or other sources, covers your living expenses. This doesn't necessarily mean never working again. It means having the freedom to choose work that you're passionate about, even if it doesn't bring in a huge paycheck. It means escaping the rat race and living life on your own terms. Many people believe that financial independence is an exclusive club for high earners. They assume you need a six-figure salary or a winning lottery ticket to even dream of such a thing. But this simply isn't true. While a higher income can certainly make the journey easier, it's not a prerequisite. The truth is, financial independence is more about your savings rate than your income. It's about living below your means, investing wisely, and letting the magic of compound interest work its wonders. Even with a modest salary, you can achieve financial freedom by adopting the right mindset and strategies. So, if financial independence is achievable for everyone, why aren't more people financially free? The answer lies in a combination of factors. One major obstacle is our consumerist culture, which constantly bombards us with messages that happiness can be bought. We're conditioned to want the latest gadgets, the biggest houses, and the fanciest cars, often going into debt to acquire them. Another roadblock is a lack of financial literacy. Many people simply don't understand basic financial concepts like budgeting, saving, and investing. Without this knowledge, it's easy to fall into debt traps, make poor financial decisions, and sabotage your financial future. The first step towards financial independence is taking control of your money, and that starts with a budget. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, budgets are boring and restrictive, hear me out. A budget isn't about deprivation, it's about awareness and intentionality. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. You might be surprised to see where your money is actually going. Once you have a clear picture of your cash flow, you can identify areas where you can cut back and redirect that money towards your financial goals. Saving money is crucial for financial independence, but it's not just about stuffing cash under your mattress. It's about putting your money to work for you through smart investments. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. Yes, you read that right, 20%. Now you might be thinking, 20% is impossible. But here's the thing, it's all about priorities. If you're serious about financial independence, you'll find ways to cut back on unnecessary expenses and boost your savings rate. Remember, the more you save, the faster you'll reach your goal. Once you have a healthy savings habit, it's time to put that money to work for you through investing. Investing can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to. Start by educating yourself on the basics of investing. There are countless resources available online, in libraries, and even through financial advisors. A great starting point for beginners is low-cost index funds. These funds allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks or bonds with minimal fees. As your knowledge grows, you can explore other investment options, but remember to always do your research and invest wisely. Meet Sarah, a single mom who worked as a teacher. She loved her job and her students, but the salary was barely enough to cover her basic needs. For years, she struggled to make ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck. The constant stress of unpaid bills and mounting debt took a toll on her mental and physical health. But Sarah was determined to break free from the cycle of debt and create a better future for herself and her daughter. She knew it wouldn't be easy, but she was ready to make the necessary sacrifices. She started by tracking her expenses and making small changes to her spending habits. She meticulously recorded every penny spent and identified areas where she could cut back. She cut back on eating out, opting instead to cook nutritious meals at home. This not only saved money, but also allowed her to spend more quality time with her daughter. Sarah found creative ways to save on groceries, such as using coupons, buying in bulk, and sticking to a shopping list to avoid impulse purchases. To supplement her income, she even started a side hustle selling handmade jewelry online. This not only brought in extra money, but also gave her a sense of accomplishment and pride. Slowly but surely, Sarah's savings started to grow. She set small, achievable financial goals and celebrated each milestone, no matter how small. She invested her money wisely, seeking advice from financial experts and educating herself on different investment options. She diversified her portfolio to minimize risk and maximize returns. Within a few years, she had built a substantial nest egg. Her hard work and dedication were finally paying off, and she felt a sense of financial security she had never known before. Today, Sarah is financially independent. She no longer worries about money and can focus on what truly matters to her. She still teaches part-time because she loves it, but now she does it out of passion rather than necessity. Her financial freedom has given her the flexibility to choose how she spends her time. She's no longer bound by the need for a paycheck. The relief and peace of mind that come with financial independence are immeasurable. Sarah now has the freedom to spend more time with her daughter, pursue her passions, and explore new hobbies. She can finally live life on her own terms. She enjoys simple pleasures like watching the sunset and reflecting on her journey. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of determination, smart financial planning, and the belief that a better future is always possible. So what are the key takeaways? Let's break it down step by step. First, financial independence is achievable for anyone, regardless of income level. It's not about how much you make, but how you manage what you have. It's about adopting the right mindset, developing sound financial habits, and staying committed to your goals. This means educating yourself, seeking advice, and continuously improving your financial literacy. Second, budgeting is your best friend. A well-planned budget helps you track your spending, identify areas where you can save, and ensure you're living within your means. It's not about deprivation, but about awareness and intentionality with your money. Third, saving is crucial. Building a savings cushion can protect you from unexpected expenses and provide peace of mind. Aim to save at least 20% of your income and make your money work for you through smart investments. Diversify your portfolio to minimize risks and maximize returns. And finally, remember that financial independence is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to adapt to changing circumstances. There will be bumps along the road, but with perseverance and the right strategies, you can achieve your financial goals. Celebrate your milestones, learn from your setbacks, and keep moving forward. You don't have to go it alone. There's a growing community of people who are embracing financial independence and sharing their knowledge and experiences. Check out online forums, blogs, and podcasts dedicated to personal finance. Look for local workshops or classes on budgeting, investing, and other financial topics. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to achieve your financial goals. Achieving financial independence on a salary is challenging, but absolutely possible. It requires discipline, sacrifice, and a shift in mindset. But the rewards are well worth the effort. Imagine the freedom to pursue your passions, spend quality time with loved ones, and live life on your own terms. That's the power of financial independence, and it's within your reach. Start today, stay committed, and watch your dreams of financial freedom become a reality. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to support our channel.